Hi there, students. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is an adjective, yeah? And I was thinking of the noun reciprocity as well. But let's look at reciprocal. So a reciprocal arrangement involves two people or two groups who behave in the same way. They agree to help each other in the same way, or to give each other the same advances. We could have a verb to reciprocate. Yeah. So when my neighbour is away, I water his plants and I look after his garden and I keep an eye on his house. And when I'm away, he reciprocates. He does the same for me. So it's two people who offer the same to each other. It's a two-way agreement. My friend, I will always help him when I can, and he reciprocates. He will always help me when he can. But you could have any type of agreement with this. So two companies could guarantee to lend each other money for a short time if they need it, to reciprocate. So today for me, tomorrow for you, or today for you, tomorrow for me. It's give and take. It's two people mutually helping each other in the same way, offering to do the same thing for each other. And this is to reciprocate. This is a reciprocal agreement. Notice in mathematics, a reciprocal is 1 over the number. So a reciprocal is the number that when multiplied by another number gives 1. Yeah? So x, the reciprocal of x is 1 over x. So reciprocal, given in return, done in return. So I love her and she reciprocates. She loves me. Yeah, this is requited love. Yeah, it's reciprocated. It's given back. Yeah, so a reciprocal agreement or an obligation that the two parties have equal rights and equal duties. They share these duties. They help each other in the same way. Reciprocal. So inversely related, opposite. And that's the idea. To return in kind. Yeah. To correspond to mutually. So two countries could give reciprocal privileges to each other's citizens. So for example, healthcare. If two countries have a reciprocal agreement, then people of my country can use the healthcare in your country, and people in your country can use the healthcare in my country. Yeah, it's something that's based on reciprocity. Yeah, it goes both ways, for you and for me. So a reciprocal agreement, a reciprocal arrangement, a reciprocal obligation. Yeah, it goes in both directions. Yeah, two groups who do the same thing to each other, they agree to help each other in the same way. Yeah, I don't know, in a hostage negotiation, maybe the negotiators accept some of the demands, and then a reciprocal gesture is expected. Yeah, so reciprocal, the opposite. Yeah, is something that is the same but in the opposite direction. Yeah, okay, so I help you, you help me. Today for me, tomorrow for you. This is to reciprocate. This is reciprocal help. Okay, so given in return. Yeah, I invited you to lunch, and now you've given me a reciprocal invitation. You've reciprocated. Yeah, you've done the same. You've done the opposite. So it's like this mutual two-way thing. Yeah, it's inverse. It goes in the opposite direction. Yeah. Reciprocity is this concept of what I do for you, you will do for me. So we're going to help each other mutually, and this is a good thing. So let's see, reciprocal. Reciprocal as an adjective, formality. 6.5, semi-formal. We use it in the semi-formal conversation or above. Reciprocity. 6.5 to 7 in formality. To reciprocate. 6.5 in formality. So notice they're all up there in the formality scales. And then as to origin, from Latin, reciprocus. Yeah, reciprocus. Which comes probably from re, back, and pro, forward. So re, pro, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Reciprocate, reciprocal. It goes backwards and forwards. We're doing it for each other, and that's the idea. So if you enjoyed the video, you could reciprocate by giving it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Reciprocate, reciprocal, reciprocity.